Alright everybody, here we are, quick video update. We got one coat on the floor, we got two more to go, but we just finished putting this first coat, so I can't walk on it, but I can show you the difference of what it looked like as opposed to what this morning as opposed to what it looked like now. World Cup. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. You see the gloss, the glare, that's just pretty much because the finish is still wet, but that spot, dark spot, did lighten, but didn't go away. But again, it's part of the floor, pet urine. It's one of those, we never know if it's going to come out until we actually start sanding. Again, like I said, it did lightened a lot actually, but still there, still visible. But, you know, it blends in with the floor pretty good. Can't see anything, but yeah, that's my video update. I'm going to turn this thing around. And so that's what we're looking at. So next step is we're going to sand it again with the 220, buff everything out, get it nice and tabletop smooth, put another coat of finish, and then the third and final coat. So I'll do another video in a bit. Final video, which just basically I'll be showing the final product. So everybody have a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.